you're pretty dirty, man. I wonder what your previous owner was doing to you. Ooh.
Human YouTuber Randi Rain. Years ago, you helped fellow YouTuber, the 8-bit guy, bring back one of our family, a Hearoid, from the brink of robot death. Your work repairing and reviving our kind has made you a revered human among robots of all kinds. Now we, a group of Omnibot 5402s, and a human, beg you for help in rescuing another of our Hearoid friends. Our Hearoid friend seems to be functional, though we cannot be sure, as we are missing the remote. What we are requesting is not a replacement remote, that would be too much to ask, but the frequencies for each of our friends' functions. As you know, we Omnibots can play back programs from our cassette decks, repeating whatever series of inputs we received from the remote and saved to cassette. Each remote function has a different tone. By using a frequency analyzer, or possibly even a guitar tuning application, the frequencies of these tones can be figured out. Then, using a frequency generator app, a simple soundboard app, and a Bluetooth cassette adapter, one can use those tones, mapped to buttons in the soundboard app, to control an Omnibot that is missing its remote. I have seen this work with my very own robotic eyes, human YouTuber Randi Rain, and it was what you humans might call uplifting. Now we beg your assistance in reviving our long-dormant Hearoid friend. Help us, human YouTuber Randi Rain. You're our only hope.
I better get that message off to Randi Rain then. Thanks, little guy.